Good Saturday evening, meteorologist Jim Danner here with a look at your almanac for today. We made it up to 95. Brownsville, Harlingen, McAllen made it up to 100. And the records, 102 to 105 back in 1915 for those two. And Brownsville, Harlingen, and McAllen's record was just a couple of years ago in 2022. Pretty quiet out there as we look at just a few clouds out over the Gulf waters. We're going to see clear skies overnight tonight, clear skies to start off our day tomorrow, and then a lot of sunshine as we go through the day tomorrow. So much like we saw today, make sure you stay hydrated, make sure you check that back seat, make sure your pets have plenty of shade and water. Again, it's summertime in the valley, August, and it's definitely holding up to its name. All right, low to mid 80s out there east at this hour, some upper 80s as you go westward, still feeling like about 90 to 95 degrees. Your hour by hour, we'll see temperatures finally drop below 80 degrees right around 1 a.m. and then they'll slowly drop off a little bit further into the mid 70s by the time sunrise rolls around, and then we see that quick warm up, mid and upper 80s to near 90 degrees by mid-morning tomorrow. So another scorcher on the way. Here's Futurecast. Going to start it off at 11 o'clock tonight, take it through the overnight hours. This is now 2 a.m., seeing a few clouds possibly right along the coastal areas, Laguna Madre. But I think that's really going to be about it. So again, expect to see a beautiful sunrise on your Sunday morning if you're up that early. Otherwise, it's going to be, again, just a pretty quiet Sunday on tap. Overnight tonight, some mid and upper 70s, close to 80 degrees there along the coast with a south wind, very light, under 5 miles per hour. And then for tomorrow, look for those temperatures back up into the 90s, even some 100s as you go westward with a southeast wind about 5 to 15 miles an hour. Out along the coast, mid and upper 80s to near 90 degrees. All right, the tropics have come alive again. We have Debbie out there. Well, here's our rainfall. Why even show this, right? Nobody wants to see goose eggs, but that's what we're dealing with over the next 7 days. All right, now we're going to talk about Debbie. Became a tropical storm earlier this afternoon. Has about 40 to 45 mile per hour winds. Will continue to work its way off towards the northwest at about, I'll call it 15 miles per hour. And that should take it just off the coast of Florida, west of Tampa by the time we reach midnight on Monday, and then making landfall right around Apalachicola between there and Jacksonville, that right in that middle section there, as potentially a Category 1 hurricane. Right now, the Hurricane Center predicting about 75 mile per hour winds. All right, there's your 7-day forecast then. Upper 90s to near 100 degrees all the way through the next 7 days. Plenty of sunshine and temperatures at night in the mid and upper 70s.